Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and we're here in Temecula, California, and we are going to sand, finish, and stain engineered maple floor. So let me turn this around, show you what we got. That's who's making all the noise. So the floor, it's not in bad shape at all, but it basically had some kind of a leak here, so we are going to take care of that. And here's what we're looking at. So overall, not in bad shape at all. But the reason they called us here, see those dark spots all the way through there. So they didn't like those dark spots. And a couple of boards right there where they had the dishwasher leak out. But that's basically it. I mean, otherwise the floor is pretty solid shape. And not too bad at all. So basically, we're going to come here, we're going to replace a couple boards, probably about 20 boards, 21 boards, something like that, that they just didn't like how that water damage left a couple dark spots on there. So we're going to sand that and replace what we need to replace, pull out the kitchen, pull out the dishwasher, stuff like that, sand every area right there, pull out the fridge, get everything ready to go. And pretty much we're going to lay down a sample area and we're going to try to match that staircase. So, we'll do another video update in a couple hours and I'll show you guys what we're looking at. All right, everybody have a good day.